This is Drew with Boomer Music Company, your band and orchestra experts since 1976, and thepodcastingstore.com, the one-stop shop for all things podcasting and remote learning. This is your weekend update. Well, greetings and welcome to your weekend update. Times they are a changin', and what's going on here at home is we got a butterfly kit, and so it comes with caterpillars, and you feed them, and they form their chrysalis and turn into butterflies. We've been getting butterflies the last couple of days, so it's been super cool. The boys have been really, really excited about it, but it's kind of an analogy for what's going on now in the world. We're kind of transitioning and changing into the next thing, which is summer, and to that end, we're going into summer music. And music, I always talk about how it's a year-round activity, but if you need to rent an instrument for summer, come on in. We've got them. Go to our website. That's the link right there. And if you're not sure of what instrument you want to try playing, we've got the instrument exploration videos up on our YouTube channel. So check those out. We have demonstrations of the instruments, kind of how to put them together, how to make a sound, what they sound like. And after you have an idea with that, come on into the store, try out a few things. So super exciting time. But yeah, if you're in need for things for summer music, then please come on in. Let's get you set up with stuff because it's a wonderful thing to be doing. Then this week on the View from the Road, and yes, there is a View from the Road video this week, I was out and about delivering repairs and picking up stuff, and because we've got a couple of different things going on now. We've got, as I said, summer music. We've got schools that are trying to get instruments in the hands of kids for that. And then we also have, specifically in the high schools, marching band is starting up. Yes, really, because the fall will be here before you know it, and there's just plenty to do. But I kind of wax poetic a little bit on the nature of music in the summertime. So here's a clip from that video. So there's school's out, but music is a year-round activity. This is something that it's not just year-round, but it's lifetime, of course. But it's the work doesn't stop; it just shifts. Things just get put into a different level of priority. Whereas during the school year, the hard academics kind of are what we're working around. But now music is it. So this is where we're at, and this is what we're doing. So I'm out on the road, even though there's no official school day happening. And then over on the Drums West YouTube channel, Peter did a video on the splash cymbal, and it's a great little accent cymbal. And he showed two different kinds. There's the 6-inch, excuse me, or was it 8-inch? They come in 6 and 8 as well. He talks about that in the video. If you haven't seen it, you should check it out. And then also a stack cymbal rather, that kind of can act like a hi-hat and things like that. And he also talked about why you always want to buy your splash cymbals new. And I'm not going to spoil why, but that is in the video there. But the clip from the video that I'm going to show you here is Peter kind of demonstrating a appropriate, tasteful use of the splash cymbal. So check out the clip from that video.
Like a big, we wouldn't use it at the beginning of a song. 2, 3, 4. Kind of a little anticlimactic because of the small sound on it. So it's meant to be an accent cymbal. I mean, that's kind of the idea here. And if I'm using it as just a quick little thing,
And then over at the Podcasting Store Medium page, usually I do an essay relating something that's happened in the past to now, or just some thought that's occurred to me. Well, this week I did something a little bit different. I did a book review, and the book in question is Arriving Today by Christopher Mims. And I urge anyone to read this book if you've been wondering, where's my stuff? I did the conversation last week with Shane and Bob talking about that just from a importer and manufacturing standpoint. Well, part of the inspiration for that conversation was this book, and it follows a fictional character, which is a USB charger, from when it's manufactured in Vietnam all the way until it is delivered to your door. And it's really instructive figuring out how the ships and the containers and the trucks and the hubs and everything happens. And why the overarching theme is, why does predictability matter more than speed? And I always use the analogy of a pitcher who could throw a 103-mile-an-hour fastball. That's fantastic if you can throw that fast, but if you can't locate it predictably, then you're not going to be a pitcher for very long. And so the book really explores these themes and what's wrong with the supply chain and why it's not going to be a very easy fix. So I urge you, read the review, of course, but also read the book. It's kind of a snapshot of what's going on today and giving kind of a peek of where things are going to go in the future in terms of just commerce, in terms of stuff. So I can't say enough about it. Check out the book. So that is your weekend update. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, check out the other videos in the channel, and we will catch up with you next time.
If you enjoyed the Weekend Update, do me a favor and follow us on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channels, or visit our websites. This is Drew with Boomer Music Company and thepodcastingstore.com. Thanks for listening.